In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Proton Mail interface by changing its theme. This process is incredibly straightforward and will help you personalize your email experience to better suit your style. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Proton Mail website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to protonmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the settings we'll be discussing today. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, look over to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find the settings icon. It resembles a gear, a pretty standard symbol for anything settings related. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will direct you to the settings menu where you have a variety of options to customize your Proton Mail experience. As you enter the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen with several different options. This sidebar helps categorize all the settings into manageable sections. What you need to do next is scroll down through this sidebar. You'll want to keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Appearance or sometimes Themes. It might take a moment to find if you're unfamiliar with the layout, but don't worry, you'll spot it soon enough. Now that you found the Themes section, it's time for the real magic, customizing the look of your inbox. Here in the Themes area, you'll see different visual options that can change the interface's color scheme and style. Proton Mail offers a selection to choose from, allowing you to pick what best suits your preferences or your current mood. Look for an option that is described as having a white theme. This choice will generally offer a clean, minimalistic look that many find easier on the eyes, especially in well-lit environments. Click on this white theme and your interface should update immediately, transforming into a crisp, bright workspace. A new theme can often make your email experience feel fresh and engaging, which is such a nice change if you primarily work with emails daily. And that's it! You've just adjusted the theme of your Proton Mail, giving it a personalized feel. Taking the time to customize your tools can make a difference in both productivity and comfort. Give your eyes a bit of a treat with these subtle changes, especially if you spend a lot of time checking emails. Remember, you can return to these settings at any time if you wish to explore other themes or revert changes. Enjoy the newfound visual appeal of your inbox and have a delightful emailing experience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!